Imagine a business model where you don't need to stock any inventory, yet you can sell a wide variety of products globally. Intriguing, isn't it? This is the power of dropshipping, a business model that has revolutionized the e-commerce industry. In this video, we will dive deep into the world of dropshipping. We will demystify what dropshipping is, how it works, and why it could be the golden ticket to your entrepreneurial journey. We will walk you through the process of setting up your own dropshipping business, right from identifying a profitable niche to finding trustworthy suppliers and setting up an attractive online store. But that's not all. We will also delve into the strategies to build a compelling brand, market your products effectively, and provide excellent customer service. And once you've established your business, how do you scale it? We've got you covered there too. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Ready to turn your business dreams into reality? If yes, then stay tuned, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Let's begin this exciting journey together. Imagine a business model where you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's dropshipping for you. In dropshipping, you sell products directly from suppliers without ever handling them yourself. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer's doorstep. This model has its perks. It's cost-effective, as you don't need to invest in inventory up front. It's flexible, allowing you to offer a wide range of products without storage constraints. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Dropshipping also comes with its own set of challenges. The ease of setting up a dropshipping business means high competition. So how do you navigate this competitive landscape? How do you ensure your dropshipping business doesn't just survive, but thrives? What are the secrets to running a successful dropshipping business? We'll explore these questions and more in the upcoming sections. Setting up your dropshipping business, it sounds daunting, doesn't it? But what if I told you it's simpler than you think? Let's break it down. First, we need to talk about niches. Imagine having a store that sells everything. Sounds great, right? But is it practical? Can you really compete with the giants of e-commerce? Finding your niche is about finding your corner in the market. It's about finding that one thing you do better than anyone else. Next, let's discuss suppliers. Your supplier is your secret weapon. They're the ones who will help you deliver quality products to your customers. But how do you find a supplier you can trust? Finally, we'll talk about setting up your store. This is where your business comes to life. This is where your customers will come to shop. But how do you build a store that attracts customers? Intrigued? Stay tuned as we answer these questions and more in this section. Remember, every big business starts with a single step. In the world of dropshipping, why does branding matter? Imagine this: you're scrolling through an online marketplace, and you see two stores selling the same product. One has a generic name and logo, while the other has a catchy name, a unique logo, and a compelling story. Which one would you trust more? Which one would you remember? Branding is what sets you apart from your competitors. It's not just about having a nice logo or a catchy business name. It's about creating an identity that resonates with your target audience and reflects the values and quality of your business. So, how can you build a strong brand for your dropshipping business? First, understand your audience. Who are they? What do they value? What problems are they trying to solve? Next, create a unique selling proposition (USP). What makes your business different? Why should customers buy from you instead of your competitors? Then, develop a consistent brand voice and visual identity. This includes your logo, color scheme, typography, and the tone of your communication. Remember, a strong brand doesn't happen overnight. It requires thought, effort, and consistency. But the payoff can be enormous. So are you ready to start building your brand? Ever thought about how some products just seem to pop up everywhere you look online? That's no accident. It's the result of effective marketing. But how can you make your products pop up for your potential customers? Consider SEO. It's like a roadmap that leads customers to your store. But how do you create this roadmap? And how do you make sure your store appears when customers are looking for products you sell? Social media, it's where your customers spend a lot of their time. But how can you make sure your products appear in their feeds? And how do you engage with them without seeming too pushy? And then there's email marketing. It's like sending an invitation to your store directly to your customers. But how do you make sure your invitation stands out in their crowded inbox? Now, let's say a customer has made a purchase but they're not happy. How do you turn their frown upside down? And what about returns? How do you handle them without incurring losses? And once you've made a sale, how do you make sure the customer comes back? After all, it's easier to retain a customer than to acquire a new one. As your dropshipping business grows, you might wonder, when is the right time to scale? The answer lies in your ability to fulfill orders while maintaining excellent customer service. If you're consistently hitting your sales targets and receiving positive feedback, it's time to think bigger. But how do you manage increased demand? One strategy is to diversify your product range. This doesn't mean adding random products, but rather expanding within your niche. Ask yourself, what other products would my customers find valuable? Remember, scaling is not just about increasing sales, but also about improving operational efficiency. Can you negotiate better terms with your suppliers? Can you automate certain tasks? As you scale, always strive to increase your profit margins. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Are you ready to start your own dropshipping business? Remember, every successful dropshipper started where you are right now. So take that first step. And remember, we're here to guide you along the way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, here's to your success in the world of dropshipping.